Welcome to another Goodwin English video lesson. My name is Randy League, and today's lesson we are going to learn how to make an English class reservation over the phone. Welcome back. Today, we're going to study how to make an English class reservation over the phone. This is something that all students need to do occasionally. Of course, if you can, you want to do this in English. That way we can practice our English and we can practice speaking English over the phone as well. In today's lesson, we're going to take a look at a sample conversation. After that, we're going to take a look at some key phrases and vocabulary from that conversation. Before we start, we publish new videos almost every day, so be sure to subscribe to our channel, ring that bell to learn about our latest videos. Okay, first, let's listen to a sample conversation where a student calls an English school and makes a reservation.
Thank you for calling Goodwin Kiowa. How may I help you?
Hello, my name is Ken Bloom. I would like to make a reservation for the 21st at 2 o'clock.
I'm sorry? Could you say your name again?
Ken Bloom.
Hello, Ken. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Please wait while I check the schedule. The 21st at 2 is okay. I will put the reservation in the schedule.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Now, let's go over the sample conversation and take a look at the important key phrases and vocabulary words. Let's start from the top. Let's look at how the English teacher answers the phone. What English does he use? Let's take a look. Thank you for calling Goodwin Kiowa. How may I help you? This is a very common way for businesses, schools, stores, and restaurants to answer the phone. They will start by saying, "Thank you," and they will also say their company name. In our sample conversation, the English school's name is Goodwin Kiowa. Last, they will say, "How may I help you?" Sometimes they might use a different phrase. Instead of "How may I help you?" they may use "Can I help you?" or "How can I help you today?" These all have the same basic meaning. Okay, let's move on. Next is an important sentence. The student tells the teacher their name and tells the teacher when they want to make a reservation. There are many ways to say your name. For example, "I'm Randy," or "My name is Randy League," or "Hi, this is Randy." Let's listen to the conversation again to see how the student said their name. Hello, my name is Ken Bloom. I would like to make a reservation for the 21st at 2 o'clock. In a normal conversation where you are talking with someone face to face, it is very common and natural to say your name in this way. Hi, I'm Randy. But when you're speaking over the phone or writing an email, it is common to say your name in this way. My name is Randy League. Sometimes, if you are very friendly with the other person, you can use this phrase. Hi, this is Randy. It's probably best to say, my name is Randy League. Real quick, let me give you a warning. Some teachers are not used to their students' names. So, if you say your name too quickly, they might not be able to understand you. It's best to clearly and slowly say your first name. Pause for a second, and then say your last name. For example, my name is Randy League. Next, the student tells the teacher when they want to make a reservation by using this phrase. I would like to make a reservation for the 21st at 2 o'clock. Of course, we have to change the date and time, but that's basically it. Say hello, say your name, and say when you want to make your reservation. Next, in the conversation, we see that the teacher couldn't understand the student's name, so they are asking for the student to say their name again. I'm sorry, could you say your name again? This sometimes happens. Speaking over the telephone can be a little difficult. It can also be difficult to hear or understand someone's name. So, if the teacher asks you to repeat your name, don't panic. Say your name again as clearly as you can. Sometimes the teacher will ask you to say your last name. Remember, your last name is your family name. And sometimes the teacher will ask you to say your first name, like this. I'm sorry, could you say your last name again? I'm sorry, could you say your first name again? Next, the teacher recognizes the student's name and gives a quick greeting. Let's listen. Hello, Ken. How are you? This is common and you should be ready for it. You can reply as you normally would. I'm pretty good, thanks. Or, I'm fine, thank you. Next, the teacher will usually tell the student to wait. Then, the teacher will usually check the computer and look at the schedule to see if the date and time are okay. There are a couple of different ways that the teacher may ask you to wait. Here are a few different ways. Please wait while I check the schedule. Or, just a moment, please. Or, hold on just a second. If that date and time are okay, then the teacher will simply say, the 21st at 2 o'clock is okay. Or, I will put the reservation in the schedule. But if that date or time is not available, very often the teacher will tell you some open times that are near the date and time that you originally said. For example, I'm sorry, Ken, but the 21st at 2 o'clock is not available. How about the 21st at 3 o'clock? Or, how about the 22nd at 2 o'clock? Here, you can make a reservation at a new date or time by saying, the 21st at 3 o'clock is good. Or, the 21st at 3 o'clock, please. If those times or dates are not good, then you can try another date or time by saying, how about the 28th at 2 o'clock? If there is a situation where you cannot make a reservation, or maybe you don't know your schedule, then you can say, I'm sorry, I don't know my schedule right now. I will call you back later. After you make a reservation, very often the teacher will double check the reservation. So they may say something like this. Okay, so the 21st at 2 o'clock, is that right? Here you can simply say, yes, or yes, that's right. Now we are at the end of the conversation. Here you can simply say, thank you very much, goodbye, to end the conversation. Don't hang up yet. Make sure you wait until the teacher says something like this. Thank you for calling. Goodbye. After that, you can hang up. Now for a quick warning. The English that we use in this telephone conversation is not very difficult, but actually making the phone call can be very difficult. This is because speaking on the telephone without seeing the person's face is not easy. This is especially true if you don't have a lot of experience speaking on the phone in English. But there is good news. The first couple of times you try, this might be very difficult and you might make a mistake. Don't worry. You will get better. The important thing is to not give up. The good news is that if you try this a couple of times, you will quickly get good at it. So, expect the first couple of times you try to do this to be difficult. Don't give up. Keep on trying, and you will get better. Well, that's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, if you like this lesson, please hit the like button, and also, if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.